Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw 5 different type of trees which you can use in different painting as well as drawing scenarios. Without wasting much time, let's begin. Starting with the most basic tree having a trunk and the upper green portion. Next, we move on to the tree whose branches are more divided, so we get different sections of the upper green part. Which type of tree is this? Yes, correct. A coconut tree or a palm tree. I don't know why, but this tree gives me a beachy vibe. So let's draw some sand and stones. Our next tree gives me a dreamy vibe. You can use this for drawing autumn scene. Drawing some flowers. Last but not the least. Yes, this is an oak tree. You can mostly use this to draw a winter scene. You will observe that I have lightened the pencil mark using an eraser. So let's begin coloring. You can always outline or darken the edges of your drawing after painting if you feel like doing so, depending upon your painting scenarios. If you observe, I'm painting in a very basic way without using much of shading and highlight. But if you already know the basics of painting, you can always add your shading and highlight so that this drawing and painting of trees becomes more realistic. So guys, these are 5 different types of trees which are easy, versatile and beginner friendly. I hope you like my video.